Hey Thinksters, today I want to present you the sort method of the lists and how you can customize it or make it work for you using Lambdas. First, let's have a look how it works by default. Here we have a list of integer numbers. We call the sort method on this instance of the list class, and as we expected, we get back the sorted list. So it's sorted in place. There's another built-in function that you can use that would return a new instance, a sorted instance of the list. But you can apply everything you will see here for this method too. But here in this video, we will focus on the sort method called on the list class in place, the in place sorting. And here we have a list of tuples containing two integer numbers each. And we should analyze the output here of the sorted access lists. As you can see, -1, 7 is the first tuple, 3, -2 the second one, 4, 1 the third. So obviously the tuples were sorted by their first entry. -1 is smaller than 3, is smaller than 4, is smaller than 5. So that's maybe not what you were expecting. Maybe you wanted to sort the tuples by their sum. So 6, and that would be 1, that would be 5. Or you want to sort it by their second entry, not by their first entry. And here comes in the key parameter again. You can pass a function to it. This function will be used to compute a value for each element in the list to be sorted, and the list will be sorted by the result of this key function when it's applied to each single element in the list. And it's very common to use a lambda here. So lambda x. This x is a tuple now. So if we want to sort our list by the second entry of each tuple, all we have to do is enter this. So now the lambda, which is used to compute the values by which the elements will be sorted, this lambda just takes the tuple and returns the second entry of the tuple. And now look here, it will change. The first entry in the result is 3 -2 now, because -2 in the second position is the smallest value. And you see -1, which was the first one before, is the last now, because 7 in the second position is the largest value now. Or maybe we want to sort the tuples by their sum. So what we have to do is either like this, sum each entry, or since it's a tuple, we could also say sum x. And you see -1, 7, which was the last, is the second last now, because the sum is 1, 5, 6, 8. Yeah, correct. So this is a very common application of lambdas to customize the sort method and to make it work as you want it to work. Especially for more advanced data structures like a list of tuples. Maybe you don't want to sort it just as the default does it by the first entry. And there are other things. Maybe you have objects of your own class and you want to sort maybe person objects by their birthday or by their first name or whatsoever. And then you will need this customized sort function. If you have questions, let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video.